What's up, everybody? So I figured I'll show you guys the quickest, fast, convenient way to get in and out of a car using a wheelchair, being handicapped, paralyzed on T9 complete from a bike accident in 2010. So I figured I'll show you guys, you know, when you're in the rain and the storm or a snowstorm or it's cold, you don't got all these videos I've been seeing, you don't got time to, you know, take the tires out and do all this extra stuff. So I found it this way to be very convenient. If you have a little bit of upper strength, you can do it no problem. So first thing I do, I put this passenger seat and I put it forward because my wheelchair's in the back seat. And you know, you open the door. I drive with golf clubs, so I'll show you that later. See, it's raining outside. It's wet. I pretty much got it down packed already. But the more you do it, more over and over and over, you find out how to do it faster. Grab up here to push off. That's how you get it. Up the chair. Put this one like this. And just like that, you're out. No problem. Do whatever you gotta go do. It's pretty much the same way. Put the one leg in first, then put the other leg in because you don't want to hit your shin on here and start bruising up and whatnot. So what I do is I lean on this B-pillar so I don't fly out the car. I put this behind the seat. So I lock one wheel and I loosen the other one. Try not to get wet in the process. Then you put the seat back. You put your seat back up. And you're good to go. See? It's got a lot of room. There's not much room in here though, but out of sight, out of mind. And then this is how I drive. That's gas, brake, gas, brake. That's gonna be another day. But yeah, that's basically what you got to do when you get in and out. Got any questions? Let me know. Want me to help you out as best I can. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, follow me. I'm gonna be putting a lot of more videos up on everyday life on a wheelchair without no help, all by yourself. All right, guys, have a good one. A little wet, but have fun.